Sensitive and reactive skins need very specific care to soothe and hydrate and relieve the sensitivity. Dermalogica have formulated the UltraCalming Mist to have those exact effects on the skin. A lightweight mist, it calms the skin as it is sprayed over the face after cleansing. The proprietary Ultra Calming Complex not only reduces sensitivity as it settles onto the skin, it relieves redness, irritation and inflammation. As the sensitivities are reduced, the skin can recover its own natural barrier and also prepare for moisture absorption. Aside from the more naturally sensitive skins, if you are undergoing resurfacing treatments, which can leave your skin feeling sensitized, the Ultra Calming Mist will be a well-used addition in your skincare routine. I mentioned before that you would use the Ultra Calming Mist by spraying the face. Keep your eyes closed after you have cleansed. However, you could also spray the mist onto your fingertips or dampen cotton wool before pressing it onto the skin, and then you proceed with your prescribed treatment products as you normally would. The Dermalogica UltraCalming Mist is a must-have if you do have sensitive skin or sensitivities, and you will find it available at skinmart.com.au.